This is by far the easiest and fastest way to get up and running with an LLM. It's even easier than LM Studio, and it's just mind-blowing how fast this is evolving. It's a new GitHub repository, open source repository, which is called LLAMAFILE. Basically, you just download one file and you can get up and running. I will share the link in the description for you to follow the instructions. I will show you on my end, which I'm using Windows, how does this work. But obviously, if you have a Mac, it's going to be a bit different, but it is very simple and straightforward. What you do, if you want, as an example, you download this file, which is a Lava file. You know, Lava is a model that also allows you to analyze visuals, and also has also text analysis and text response abilities. Basically, you download this file, which are already done. If you're using Mac, Linux, so you just need to grant permissions one time. If you're using Windows like I'm using, so you just change the file name to exe, and then you can get up and running. So I've downloaded this file. I have it here. I will open this in. I'll open this right here so you guys can see. It's probably not there because I already changed the file name. Let's go here. Yeah, so initially the file didn't have exe, so I just added an exe. All I did is did like this, change it to an exe file, and now I'm going to double click, run, and in a moment I will have an LLM running locally. That specific model. Look how fast it is. And there you go. I already have it running, and you can just start playing with this. So for example, hi, hey, how are you? You can see in the command line it is starting to process the query, and it answered, I'm fine actually, how about you? So this was great. Now let me show you how I'm going to upload the file, and it's going to analyze the file. Can you explain what you're seeing in the image? Now the whole point isn't to show the capabilities of the model, but I just wanted to show you, while it is running, I will discuss a bit about what's the purpose of this video. This video is going to be very short. We're going to conclude in a moment, but the point is I wanted to show you how this project takes the running and deploying of a new LLM on your computer to the next level. It's even easier, like I said, than LM Studio. You just download a file, which is an executable file, double click, and there you go. You can be up and running in 5 minutes, because like if the download is 4 minutes, after 1 minute you can go live. Now the models that are already available are listed right here: Wizard Coder, Lava, Mistral, the most popular models, to be honest. A few caveats is, if you're using Windows, you are limited by Windows to files that are only 4 gigabytes, below 4 gigabytes, so you need to do a workaround, which you can read more about somewhere in the page. Let me see. Let's see, 4 GB. Okay. Unfortunately, Windows user cannot make use of these examples, Llama files, because Windows has a maximum executable file of 4 gigabytes. And all of these examples exceed that size, except for the one that I'm showing you, which is 30 megabytes smaller than the size limit. But there is a workaround. If you're using Windows, as I said, and you want to work around this 4 gigabytes executable file size limit, you can just download the software locally, download the model, and run the model like this. Basically copy and paste these 3 lines. And again, I'm going to have the file the link to the repository in the video description. Now let's see if it has finished already. Yes, so it has finished. Let's see the answer by Llama. The image features a gold and red sticker with the words 10% money back guarantee written on it. The label is likely meant to indicate that there's a 10% money back guarantee for whatever product or service being advertised, providing customers with some level of bold color. Okay, so it got the analysis a bit incorrect because it's a 110 money back guarantee. But again, the purpose of this video wasn't to show you the capabilities of Lava, but more to show you how easy and simple it is to use LLAMAFILE. You just download the file, double click the executable, and you can be up and running in no time, have your own LLM running and operating locally, which is amazing. Obviously, if there are any new updates regarding this project, I will keep you posted. If you have any questions regarding the video or regarding the installation, please let me know or post them in the comment section.